Mangla Gatarana Tarlakina Hanghaira, Gaja Nada Migaikana Mikanama Mangla Gala, Cameo being we should doing another Shikasang we in a tree haura, Kare Timothy Gabigasang Madi Duja Aka. Remake up the Ajiwi Kamadaya Baobing. Ukhrul District Administration Namakok Kami, Gajang Kanyiwi Hospitality Skill Training Hapok Haira. Imphal East Shong, drone attack Gasali security personnel with Bangers Katum Sakayang Mi Haira, Angared Zakashiwi Wang Security Advisor Li Kayat Le Haira. Lei Kayang Motor, Ajay the Dangkul Express with Bao Injishan Kui in a Bami Delay, Bao Bing May Sign Ganang Rumsa. Ukhrul District Administration Namakok Kami, Hospitality with Skill Training Hapok Haira. Manipur Shorkar we Azingli Ngaran Kami, Skill Training Angran Angayeji, Gajang Kani Wivang Ukhrul District Administration na Rungmida, MSRLM Ukhrul na Yangsang Mira. Training Jing a Paydari Kani Tangup Sangra. Training Angran Angayeji Aya DRDA Hall, Mini Secretariat Complex Ukhrul Deputy Commissioner Kengu Zuringlana Hapok Mia. Manipur Kanita doing a Langapai upon Ligadomida, Honorable Gida Middle Committee, Mentorship Azingli Training J, Food and Beverages Services, Guest Service Associates, Customer Service Executive Kala, Front Officer Executive Higatawi Damjitera. Abong Hiramida Kalehi Matalak in a Singhui Kavai, Deputy Commissioner Kengu Zuringlana Trainees Pingjili Kasatsanga. Training Jim Marek Section Rukui Kavaikala, Jishut may bing we in a skill dam quick by Saikor, Mabung Palaka in a dam quick Havai, maximum discipline like Havai DC Ganguna Kasat Sanga. Training Jiwivanga Bangquick High Kanuitot Shaka Hangji Shadli, Prime Row Institute Gohadi with trainer Akana Dam Jitera. Training Adam Kani in a Kaida, Akum Kareshina, Ngatorbung Tra in a Twida, Ngashunbung Baro Minute, Hangmadi in a Dangra. Akumga Kaneshina, Ngashunbung Akam Kai in a Twida, Ngazinbung Madi in a Dangra. Aya Zingtan la militants na drone attack sada security personnel with bangers Katum Sakayang Mi Haira. Ochoti Sinam Ke Kundrak Bam Assembly Constituency Imphal East District Li Kashokna. Bawati Shurda militants Pingjina drones Shijinda bombs Takasanga. Chili Property Gaika Saziya. Misa Gazu Mashamana. Northeast now Bao Taka. Bangers G India Reserve Battalion IRB winner. Attack Gasaji Sinamina Mekang Kung Bamli Kashokna Ji. Kala Bangers Ji communities Kaniwi Alungli conflict Kale. Suida Kawai Simhai Kasana da Hanga. Bawati Shurda attack Gasaji Gangbukbi district with Mark Hills Wena Gap Karana. Attack Gasaji Motorbung Kani Minute Magushi Kali Kashokna. Jiwi Aina Adam Gashinaka IRB personnel being Aina Ngagap Moroga da Hanga. Attack Gasajina security measures later clearly Kang Hanling Sak Haira. He Madailagina Assam Rifles personnel Wagan Hill Range Wak Aka Gala Sajan Lok Village Bamlila deploy Gasale Hauda Atum Leila militants na Abam Jili Wazang Shabda Klewivang security forces being na Ngak Migshab Magashab Lininga Krikling Sak Haira Ji. Maugate Li 16 Assam Rifles na Khayon Makalay Rijum Now Akali Xiaomi Hawa the All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam na Makamaya Pongshok Haira. Ansam General Secretary Thamung Angde Shangcharanga Maringna Bauhi Pongshok video Samgapang Atishurda Kachibat Otchoji Ayang Shunbung Gatum Shikalik Major Anishwi Azingli Kashokna. Assam Rifles Wimina Kalina May Youth Games and Sports Secretary Li Xiaomi Hawa. Atumna Naume ina Akwili Shao, La Kamajit Sada, Life Round Gutum Shida Gapshoga da Hanga. Assam Rifles na Xiaomi Khai Mi Baji Philip Mao Hoda Senabadi District with Truck Driver Association with Executive Member Akhana da Hanga. Maram Hiwi Wang Jamna Khui Khawai All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam Gala Longpang Wi Mi Bing na 16 Assam Rifles li Jan Ngze Khawai Vaya Kha Atum li Kham Hawaji Kayon ma khalai naga nauli shaw khamiji mijam miram ma khaning uncivilized otsak na da ansang mi minganin jina ma khamaya phongshok kala hina khare maning mana jingri ina kwing shik da zatsa gaji bo hailala ji gatha ka shong kharang otsak ji aji rashung da safu da leida hangsanga ansam na thanda longna bingjina ma khamaya phong ka shok protest sa haira atumna 16 Assam Rifles bam jili rod marat khawa maning mana Jingri Khawai Chan Ngze Khawai Khwana Kha Atumli Kham Hawa da Hangsanga Democracy Ngaleli Democracy Wika Khalat Magathe Ot Saksa da Khalehi Condemn Saya Gaji Majan Sanga Jingri Khawai Chan Ngze Maling Sak La Timan Hi Masami Rang Lakha Aina Dangda Long Bingjina Manga Muivara Gaji Hang Haira Kala Manipurwi Yari Li Paning Ung Saga Gajia Naga Bomwe Aina Armed Forces Special Powers Act Aspahi Kwitwi Mi Khawai Indian Central Shogarli Porashum Gahaina Kaja Draconian Ayin Jiwi Azingli Atumna Crime Sarashum Haira Gaji Hanga Mashun Bijar Masami Rang Lakha Aina Dangda Mangasama Gaji Ansam General Secretary Jina Hangsanga Drones Shijinda bomb attack Asali Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomi na Gandem Sahaira Ot Sakji Sagla High War Crime na da Kokomi na Hanghaira Kokomi we atishur da armed immigrant cookie groups na Kankana Emergency Services Sarek da ambulance Shijin laga Maidei Khu Ungli Wagzang na ji Kala jiwi ina zingum tumra da aka brain now aka ti hawa Awi national nangla gala village volunteers Sikoli Sazi Hawa da Kokomi na Hangsanga Hang da Klehi, a Jahon Direct Akathang, Kaudruk, Imphal West District Li Shok, Otshot Jili Hangna. Ambulance G Yun Kayang Li, Laimakong area Bomi Sasaya da Hanga. Cookie militants na humanitarian service Kari Shijin Kangwi, Kokomi na Pen Haira. Attack Saji moral ethical integrity Makale, Mijam Miram Makaning, Kashong Karang na da Kokomi na Hangsanga. Manipur Rod Kamarat Mersang da Kale Hili Thak da Yangsang Mi Khawai MLA Rajkumar Imo Singh na Union Home Minister Amit Shah Ling Agaw Haira Kaudrugli Mi Kapthat Gahai Gala Sazi Gahai Ji illegal armed militants with terror Otsak na da Rajkumar Imo Singh na Machan Sanga Ana Gahang Attack Saji Rayli with Hijangli Gashok na Kala Manipuri Maram hi ethnic du shot mang maningla insurgent groups na state with dungli kasa hakamay agenda khale ragzagzag kahai gambay na jihaira Manipurli Central Forces tinghang truk shika haida khale wi ot magashok la hangda atum khale jina jingri kahai khira khami malay thura da Rajkumar Imo Singh na majan sanga Forces Pingjina Rod Kamrat Makam Mirror Aka Atumli Kushok the State Forces Li Charge Queen Saglu the MLA Jina Hang Haira Cooperative Magasa Assam Rifles Unit Sky Kali Kushok Welcome Saya Ka Action Jung Mega Targar Saya the MLA Rajkumar na Hang Sanga Jainang saw the Suspension of Operations Agreement later Kleji Aprocate Sami Kava Union Home Minister Li Polishit Haira Rod Kamarat Hili Shigajin illegal arms supply with Maramli investigate Sakawai Kala Unified Command State Chogarli Jisin Kawaila MLA Jina Bo Haira Kapong a solution we wang tak the political Jangzek laying a Sakawai Kala violence li tak the Kam Kawai MLA Rajkumar Imona Union Home Minister Li Bo Haira Manipur with security ang red yang laga MLA Joy Kishan na security advisor Guldeep Singh li ningyang makhuung phongshok haira Director General of Police DGP li Guldeep Singh na advisories kami wi ot kashok magashok ngahan haira Security advisor na DGP li ki advice milak da laikhala da Joy Kishan na khanghan sai Ngaranda kleji thang mi madi phangati khangsa khila chiga yari nguruga khawai ga ksir khala Public uprisings laying a saklaga atomni dear gas cap the kam gakui hina solution ngasara gachila da MLA Joy Kishan na khanghan sai Shok da khali hili bangla gai na yat salala Joy Kishan na awi party gala Prime Minister na Chief Minister li shit kasang phong shok ga Prime Minister na crisis zimik sho shaka we alungli thersang mira gjili shitsanga the MLA jina hangsanga Maram hi joygishan na Shija Hospital le khawali paume bingli ka hangna Achahon thang kaudrugle attack sali Impact TV reporter Musuk Ilangbam li saje ka hai arishang jiling hada Ali MLA na bakhang han ka sana PJB we ideology nation na khare Party na gakhania kala individual na khanawa gajili shorda nation hinga khawai BJP member saikoruna khokha sa khawai joygishan na gathong haira armed cookie militants na nation le attack sa direct evidence le haira da joygishan na hanga nation hi remai thui da khamkhui khawai ithumi ot ngurut na da MLA joygishan na hangsanga Manipur Staff Selection Commission SSC with Chairperson Sakhavai IAS retired Dakhelambam Ranjit Singh le gabangsang haira Ana office ka khui doing a shit kami MH Khan Special Chief Secretary na Aya Conference Hall of Manipur Secretariat li and Minister Samiya Di Ranjit Singh na zingum ka thumi wang Manipur Staff Selection Commission with Chairperson Otbam Phungwara Otbam ga khui doing shit kami angran ang ye jili Laishram Rathakanda Singh Joint Secretary BD gala Department nga dadai dewi Administrative Secretary Sping Wadzanga Indian Sarkar na Manipur du shot yang gasangli All Manipur United Club Organizations Amuko President PH Nando Luwang na ningyang moku ungpong shok haira State we resume now bingli Indian Sarkar na ngak mira na gaji hangda shok da khlei hili yari na khoka sada makhamayang awaw khawai Nando Luwang na gathong haira Tambak shong combing operations here ya zada kha gapung shong ji thada mazat mana gaji amugo gathana china hangda cookie zo militants we sashat ot sak Sarkar na mathada makhami thura gaji hangsanga Nando na gahang militants bingjina pongshar attack sada maidei now bing we dungli rai sada le Kala attack bingji Central Security Forces na indirectly gadom da kleina da amuko president jina hangsanga Militants bingji na Central Forces Station kasabam ngalamwe ina attack kasana kala Chile security personnel kasaina ka yang bam hawa da Nando na majansanga Kala State Sarkar na suspension of operations agreement li mazangli marada hang haijina militants bingwi dungli bangkhame action khui khwai authorities li bangshap miran gijina da Nando na hangsanga Aya chawhon thang shock high drone attack li Central Forces na mathada action makhui mi thuwa da ocho chili maidei naw bing na shuru khui sa shi gaja Central Forces na thak mai mathame ngahanga sara da Nando Luwang na hangsanga Amuko President Jina State with Security Advisor we ot ka shock maram lila hangsanga Zingu makha lang the Security Advisor sahai laga rod camera thi makham mikrar wi bang ana otbam ji horana da Amuko President Jina hangsanga La luida ajiwi kamadaya baubing Ukhrul District Administration na makhok kami kajang khani wi hospitality skill training hapok haira Infal East Shong drone attack gasali security personnel wi bangers kathum sa khayang mi haira angaret zagishiwi wang security advisor li khayat le haira Ajiwi bao hiling jangaira bao ngana da khlaina thum sai ko rili ringa phagala khamahaya zimik shong sa serano